Let's make these juicy and absolutely delicious meatballs. Now to a bowl add minced meat, egg, dried parsley, breadcrumbs, garlic powder, dried oregano, salt, onion powder, paprika powder, and lastly, freshly ground black pepper. The list of ingredients, including measurements, is in the description bar below. Mix together until well combined. Thank you to all my subscribers. And if you're new here, please join the family. We share lots of yummy recipes made with love. Now, to make the meatballs, I added some oil to my clean hands, took some of the minced meat and rolled like so. Continue until all the minced meat is rolled into balls. Allow to rest for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, to a saucepan add extra virgin olive oil, and then add the meatballs and saute on each side until golden brown. The addition of the breadcrumbs and eggs makes the meatballs hold its form, so don't be scared of your meatballs breaking. Once all sides of the meatballs are brown, remove from the heat and set aside. If you like what you've seen in the video so far, kindly give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not. Thank you very much. Using the same saucepan and oil, add blended onions, and tomato paste. Mix together and saute for around 5 to 7 minutes. This frying time is necessary to remove any tanging and raw taste from the tomato paste. For the rest of the sauce, we would be using tomato, red paprika, yellow paprika, and of course, garlic. Remove the seeds from the paprika and blend everything until smooth. Now to the saucepan, add just a bit of sugar. This balances the flavors so well, so don't skip the sugar, very important. Now add the blended tomato and paprika mix. Add some chili flakes for some kick. Mix together. and add just a bit of water to release the sauce. Now cover and bring to a boil. Once it starts boiling, add the meatballs, cover, and on low heat simmer for around 15 to 20 minutes or until the sauce thickens. Finish with some dried oregano and salt. Turn off the heat at this point. And voila, our meatballs is ready to be enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching the video if you've watched until this point. And until next time, remain blessed.